How to make quarterly tax payments on FreeTaxUSA. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in FreeTaxUSA.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of FreeTaxUSA. Now, at the top right, you will see the option of sign in. Click on it. With that, you will land to the login page. Now, you have to provide your credentials. Type in your username and then type in your password. In the case you have forgotten password or username, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign in now. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option, create new account, and do that. Once logged in, navigate to the section of platform that handles estimated tax payments. This may be labeled as estimated tax payments or quarterly payments or something similar. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for your quarterly tax payment. This typically includes your name, address, social security number or employer identification number, and the tax year and quarter for which you are making the payment. FreeTaxUSA may provide tools or calculators to help you determine the amount you owe for a quarterly tax payment. Select the payment method you prefer. FreeTaxUSA typically offers options such as electronic funds withdrawal or payment by credit or debit card. If you are paying electronically, enter the necessary payment information such as your bank account details, debit or credit card information. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Review all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy, including the payment amount and payment method. Once you are satisfied, confirm your payment. After submitting your quarterly tax payment, you should receive a confirmation from FreeTaxUSA indicating that your payment has been successfully processed. By following these steps, you can successfully make quarterly tax payments on FreeTaxUSA. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.